Hi all, welcome back. In this video we will see how to connect our tests to Cypress Cloud and how we can record those tests in Cypress Cloud environment. Okay, so for that if you run our Cypress command Cypress open, the test runner will open like this. Okay, so there you will see four side menus: specs, runs, debug and settings. In the settings menu, you will see these three other settings. There you can see the cloud, Cypress cloud settings. So if you open that, you will see an option to connect a cloud project. Okay. So if you click on that one, it will ask to create a organization list. Okay. So if you click on create organization, so the pop-up will open to sign into Cypress cloud environment. So it is cloud.cypress.io. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up or you can log in with one of these options, either using a GitHub or Google account, or if you have already signed up, then you can log in with your email ID and password. So I am going to use a GitHub. See, once you log into the application, it will ask us to create an organization. So I am giving it as Tech Brothers 99. And if you don't have any website, then you can create a project. And there it will ask for a couple of questions. So you can make it as skip for now. It's optional things. Here if you see, it will automatically generate some project ID. Okay, and yeah, it will show the default layout and everything here. Okay, so and if you after creating an account there, if you come and refresh here, so it will show the organization list and everything. So I'm going to create there is a default project, and I'm going to create a new project here, where I'm naming it as a Cypress-YouTube, and I'm making it as private. There are two options, private and public. So if you make it as private, only you can see those results, recorded results. If it is public, anyone can see those recorded results. So I'm making it as a private and creating a project here. Okay, once you create a project, it will give us the recorded key here. So you can copy this command and you can close this, and along with this you will get a project ID also here. Okay, so if you create your Cypress, if you create if you connect it from your test runner, then you will automatically, I will see that project ID will be automatically added to a Cypress config.js. Okay, and after that, see here for my practice, I have already added some keys. But if to run the Cypress to record these tests in Cypress Cloud, so there he has already provided a command right before we need to run that command here. So for that I am closing this, cancelling this terminal, and after that let me clear the screen, and just I am running this command, whatever was popped up while creating a project. Okay, this is our key. Okay, so we need to keep that key, and you can get that key also from our project. Okay, and yeah, if I am running, I started running it. It will start the execution. Or what we can do is you can create another entry in package.xml also, like cy.cloud, and then can paste that one, and whenever we are running the next time, so you can use the cy cloud command to run those tests. Okay, for now I am not saving that one because the tests are started execution. Once this execution is completed, I'll save that file, and whenever I am running it next time, I'll use cy.cloud next time. So I'm just pausing the video to complete these tests, and we'll come back. So the test runnings are about to complete here. Out of 19 out of 25, 19 are completed. So in the meantime, let's navigate to Cypress cloud environment and see how it is recording there as well. So for that, before we have signed up, right? So there you will see your organization chart, and if you click on it, so the default project we have already got, but we have created another project, Cypress U2. So if you click on it, there you will see the first one, and it started 7 minutes ago. And if you click on that one, and you will see that the tests are running. Out of 25 spec files, 20 are completed, and if you there you can see the multiple informations like 19 specs passed and one is failed, and you can see the review also here, what is failed. The children node is failed here, and you can see all that information, and you can see that from Cypress 13 they have released test replay also. We will see this in another video. Okay, you can see all the tests that are running, and you can see the test results also here, and the number of specs, and how many, see here, how much time it took for the execution and everything. So how it is executing, and you can see everything while it is executing at the background itself. So now 22 spec files are completed. The total number of tests 48. It is also showing that 2 specs files are in queue, 1 spec file is running, so it displays the everything here. Here it is almost completed, 25, and if you navigate there, it started. The 24th one is recording, and you can see the overall report also here. So the children node.cy got failed, and remaining all are passed. So out of 52 tests, 51 are passed, 1 is failed, and then yeah, you can see that here also it got completed. All specs are completed. There it recorded 52 tests. Yeah, you can see all this information here. Okay, so if you go, okay, in this way you can record your tests in Cypress Cloud. Thank you.